All right, we are going to be looking at the GCF and the LCM. What are the GCF and the LCM? Greatest common factor is the GCF, and least common multiple is the LCM. So if I have two numbers such as 28 and 42, I need to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. Oh my goodness, the least common multiple might take me a little while. Maybe, let's see. And the greatest common factor, that shouldn't be that hard. So what are the factors of 28? Factors are the numbers multiplied together to give you a product. So what numbers multiplied together would give me a product of 28? I want to list them though. I don't need to write out a number times another number. So I'm going to list them. Is 1 a factor? Yes, it is. Is 2 a factor? Yes, it is, because this is an even number. Therefore, 2 goes into it. 28 is divisible by 2. 2 times what gives me 28? 2 times 14. So 14 is my another factor. What about 3? Well, let's see. We can add these together. And if I get a number, when I add those together, that's divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. 8, 9, 10. Nope, not divisible by 3. How about 4? Does 4 go into 28? If you know your facts, you know that it does, and it goes into it 7 times. 5, we know it can't be 5 because it doesn't have a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. How about 6? Well, we know 3 didn't go into it, so we probably know that 6 doesn't go into it either. 7, we already have our 7. 8, nope. 8, 9, the same rule for the 3 applies for the 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Nope, 9 does not go into 10, therefore it's not 9. And we've gone all the way up for our one-digit numbers, so we are good. So those are our factors of 28. How about our factors of 42? 1, yes. 2, yes. How many times for 2? Well, 2 goes into 4 twice. And 2 goes into 1 once. So 2 21s will give us 42. How about 3, 4, 5, 6? Oh, we know that 3 goes into it. 3 goes into it how many times? 3 goes into 1 once. And we carry that. 3 goes in, that becomes a 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Therefore, 3 times 14 gives us 42. How about 4? 4 goes into 1 once. 4 does not go into 2. So nope. 5, nope. 6. If we know our facts, yes. 6 and also 7, because 6 times 7 is 42, I think, I hope. And 8, does 8 go into it? Nope. Because 8 times 5 is 40, so it can't be going to 42. 9, 4 plus 2, 5, 6, nope. It can't be 10. 11, no. How about 12? 12, no. 13, nope. And we're back to 14, so we got them all covered. So which is the greatest common factor of 28 and 42? It looks like 14 is the greatest common factor. All right, now multiples. Multiples, the first multiple of 28 is 28 times 1. The second multiple of 28 is 28 times 2. The third multiple of 28 is 28 times 3. The fourth multiple, 28 times 4. We would do the same thing. 4, 42. 42 times 1 is my first multiple. 42 times 2 is my second multiple. 42 times 3 is my third. 42 times 4 is my fourth. So the multiples are that your number multiplied by these factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, listing them out. And then your least common multiple will be the smallest number that both these numbers go into, both 28 and 42 go into. So let's multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus we add that 1. 2 times, then we're going to do our 2 times 42. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now our 3 times 8 is 24. Carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 more is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Oh, do we need to go any further? It looks like we don't. 84 is the least common multiple. So least common multiple equals 84, and the greatest common factor equals 14.